Okay, nerds, a long time no talk, but a lot has happened. I got the mowers taken care of. They're all running smooth. And this one, look familiar? It's not the same engine. The original block is right there by that disaster I'm going to be cleaning up fairly soon. Yeah, my workbench gets dirty very, very fast. But it only takes 15 minutes to clean. It's mostly just trash and unused parts that I need to put back in the bin. Now, let's get started, shall we? Let's focus on the new arrival. This machine. It has already been heavily modified. By heavily, I mean I just put this on. That's from that machine. Now, if my old neighbors are watching this, they'll recognize that it's been modified. It's had these cross beams put in, very unnecessarily now that it's got a different engine on it. But it is no flex whatsoever. It's got a cheapo Briggs on it. It'll get the job done. And this is the engine that was originally on it, but I decided to bring classic back. I'm gonna do this angle iron idea again. Me and my grandpa did it because look it. That's no bueno, especially when you've got the throttle cable on. Now, new arrival. It's got a 186 or so cc engine block. You might be able to see it right there. Nope, other side. Right there. I cannot see right there. It's either 186 or 182, I think. Runs like a champ. Kicks off, third pull. This one you all know starts first pull. Kicks off in a hurry. Also first pull. And also first pull. Now, let's make a fool of myself in public and bring them all out, one by one. Now, this machine, I also modified this so that this would work. Let's watch it kick off. Sorry for the shitty camera footage. Well, it would start first pull if it wasn't cold with balls out. I over-revved the living shit out of that engine when I first got it, so as you can expect, it smokes a little. Like, I really over-revved it. Like, I would put it at high revs and keep it that way, so can't blame it. Bringing classic back, Tecumseh. The very beginnings of this channel. Now, since this one's a lot more difficult to pull over since it doesn't have a compression release, this might be a bit of a challenge. Oh yeah, maybe I should give it a bit of gas. Oh yeah, it burns up all the fuel that fast. This is a risky angle. The new one. The new old one. 22 years old, I think. It was made in, oh, it's 185 cc. Let's say 30. Meh. You'll get the idea. Big block. And it's got the original carburetor. Now, the main issue with this thing was that the seal for the carburetor right here fucked. I replaced it. And also, this cable for the governor system. It was contacting this, so I had to undo the 2 screws down there and tilt the carburetor down just a pinch. Fixed her right up. Now this one takes a bit. Oh, it's over. Let's give her a bit more gas. Sorry for the shitty camera view once more. Well, let's just say that's getting pulled back far enough. Holy shit. Since she was ran with original oil for, what, 20 years, I kinda took the liberty of fixing that up. Ooh. That's no bueno. I'll have to fix that up. There you can see where it's been contacting. Up, focus, you fuck. Come on. Right there. Yep. Now, the oldie but the goodie, the 39-ish or whatever year old one is on its way. I'll bring it over quick. But I like how they're all color coordinated now. Now all of these machines have been off of their deck for a good day. Just yesterday, swapped these two. I had taken all of the engines off. This one also needs a new carb seal right there and a float and bowl check, so it's going to be coming off the deck one more time because it's designed very poorly to where the chute blocks up the carburetor bowl. And I can't take the carburetor assembly off because the governor spring's on it. Now, I also took the liberty of fixing this up. So instead of zip ties propping it up, it's fuel line. I'd say it looks a bit nicer. Since this one's constantly flooding because of the poor bowl seal, I just have a fuel shut-off valve. It's just under the air filter. Normally kicks off first pull. Now my storage is low, so I'm going to clear up some space. This might be the last you see of me in it for a bit. I also put compression additive in this one. Anyways, see you later, nerds.